So how do you import videos from your camera to the iPad? Let's get started. If you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe to it and you're not going to miss anything important. So it kind of depends on your camera type, but most cameras just capture the files, like the videos, on an SD card. So on my camera, I have this like large SD card, but on my GoPro camera, I have a small SD card. But it all just comes down to figuring out the way to connect it to your iPad. So you might need to use a connector or a dongle to set up that connection to the iPad. Now, since as you can see, for example, the GoPro one is very small, so I have to place it inside of this like large adapter, and this whole thing is connected through the iPad with this little dongle, which on one side has the USB-C connector to connect it to my iPad, and on the other side it has the port for SD card. So I can just snap it all together like that, connect it to my iPad, and the SD card will then appear inside of the Files app. So in the left panel, in the Locations section, the name of your SD card is going to appear, and you literally have all of your photos in here. So you can just drag your photos, videos, move them over to your local storage or save them in the gallery, do whatever you need, but that's how you do this. So again, it doesn't matter if you have the small SD card or the large one, as long as you figure out the way to connect it to the iPad, you'll be able to just get at the videos. Keep in mind that there are some camera models which have like over the air connection, like there are cameras which have dedicated iPad apps, even like you can get the GoPro app if you use it and just download the videos over the Wi-Fi. So that would work as well, but I find the like regular SD card method to be the most reliable. So let me know what you think. Subscribe for tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll catch you later in the next videos as well.